Okay, this is a video of a 1999 Toyota Tacoma. I'm going to remove the windshield washer reservoir, and I'm doing that because, as you can see, it's broken, not working very well, and I'm also rotating my tires. If you can see that it's lifted up, I have it on jack stands. I decided to do this video so I can show exactly what needs to be removed. If you take a look, you can see 10mm bolts, 1, 2, 3, right there, that hold on a plastic cover. So I'm going to remove that and then take a look at what I need to do on the unit. So with that, let me get set up and remove the panel. Okay, I'm gonna have to probably edit this because I can't see all the angles and dangles. And I decided to do this because I'm here at the moment. And the compressor goes off. You gotta love it. It's a little compressor. Come on out. There's number 1. This is what the screw looks like. Now rotating the camera. I point this here, where does it look? Okay. I don't know if you can see them or not, but they're basically 90 degrees. Here goes one. Oh, let's go the right way. Like that. Oop, that one's down there. This one's in my hand. Nothing up my sleeve. Something up above. Oh, there's one right here. One goes straight up. You can't see. There we go. There was one that goes vertical. So with that, it's wiggling. There's a metal bracket. Alright, somehow I figured this would be a little easier. I'm going to have to go down underneath it and disconnect the connector because I think the tank is connected right there. So stand by. Okay, one more time just so you can see the way that connector works. I had to push that down to get it to disconnect. I did cut off this piece. Come on. I did cut off this piece so I could maneuver. It was too tight and I was unfamiliar. Okay. The other thing, just so you know, I don't think it would matter, but I have my skid plate off. But I don't think you need to remove the skid plate. Okay, this is the unit out, removed. Here are the pieces that have been dying. I'm going to call up and see if I can get this on order. I know I'm not going to call Toyota. Turning around, hopefully you can see, let's see, you can see the fluid in there, the pump, the connector. I had to break this plastic piece, and I guess I'm gonna disassemble it. But I have it out, and it's big. I wanted to make sure that I have it so I can take it in and see what they have. Make sure the replacement part fits. So let me go call and see if I can get one. If not, if I have to wait, I'll leave it uninstalled. Oh, there, nice and bright. But you can see this is just so many heat cycles that the neck has failed.